Hi explorers, welcome back to Learn with Adeesha. Today we're zooming in to discover the tiny secrets that build our whole world. Matter is everything. If it has mass and takes up space, it's matter. And guess what? It's all made of tiny things called atoms. Atoms are the smallest units of matter. They are so small you can't even see them with the world's strongest microscope. But inside those tiny atoms, there's an even tinier world. Atoms are made of three special particles: protons, neutrons, and electrons. In the center is the nucleus. It holds the protons, which have a positive charge, and the neutrons, which are neutral, meaning they have no charge at all. And zipping around the outside are the electrons. They have a negative charge and move super fast in energy levels. Now, atoms love balance. Most atoms are neutral because they have the same number of protons and electrons. But that can change. If an atom gains electrons, it becomes a negative atom. If it loses them, it becomes positive. It's all about the charge. When we have a whole bunch of the exact same type of atoms, we call that an element. They are the purest substances in nature. Elements like oxygen, hydrogen, and gold are pure because every single atom inside them is exactly the same. But atoms don't always like to be alone. When two or more atoms join together chemically, they create a molecule. If those atoms come from different elements, they form a compound. It's like a new team with its own special powers. Take water. It's a compound made of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. Together they make the liquid we drink. Check this out. Sodium is a reactive metal and chlorine is a toxic gas. But when they combine, they turn into table salt. Compounds have completely different properties than the atoms they are made of. Amazing, right? Now, what if we just toss things together without them bonding? That's a mixture. They are physically combined, not chemically. In a mixture, like salad dressing or a bowl of cereal, the parts stay themselves and can usually be separated back out. A heterogeneous mixture is not uniform. You can easily see the different parts, just like the toppings on this pizza. But a homogeneous mixture looks the same throughout. Like milk, it's a mix of water, fats, and minerals, but it looks like one smooth liquid. Since mixtures aren't bonded, we can use science tricks to separate them. Let's look at 5 cool ways to do it. First is filtration. It's like a tiny gate that lets liquids through but stops solid particles that don't dissolve. Next is evaporation. If salt is dissolved in water, we boil the water away, and the salt is left behind in its original form. Chromatography is used to separate colors. We can see all the different hidden pigments that make up the ink in your pen. Distillation separates liquids with different boiling points by heating them into steam and then cooling them back down. Finally, extraction uses solubility to pull one substance out of another based on what it likes to dissolve in. Wow! From tiny atoms to delicious pizza, now you know what everything around you is made of. Science is everywhere. Thanks for exploring with me. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to Learn with Adeesha for more awesome science adventures. See you next time.